than do a little man and wife. That's if they're contented with the little things in life. Living on a larger scale would soon entail a lot of care and strife. We could be so happy with the little things in life. Say, a little rain, a little sun, a little work, a little fun, a little time for loving when the day is done, and a little thing that cries for lullabies could make man and wife. Tell the world how much they love the little things in life.